everyone. This is Doug Davis, broker in charge at Crombie Realty, and here with another session of Ask Doug. And I've been asked a few times about, in property management, how do we get the tenant to take care of our yard? We have a nice yard and we want to maintain it because we're going to be moving back in and we don't want everything dead or full of weeds or strangled with vines, that sort of thing. So how can you make sure that the tenants take care of it? Well, no one's going to take care of it as well as you do. So the only thing that you can do is have some sort of monitoring events where you take a look at it, or you hire someone that takes care of it and replants things along the way. So they do have maintenance services that go beyond just blow and go, cut the lawn and blow the leaves away. They do have services that will take care of everything and replant and check the sprinklers and make sure everything is maintained and actually do weeding, that sort of thing. So a specialized yard service. You could also, that comes with the cost, of course, but you could also increase the number of times that the normal yard guy comes to the home. That would help a lot. So instead of once a month, maybe twice a month, or maybe every week, you might consider that. You might personally have personal inspections where you go in there every quarter or half year, something like that, and just see what is needed and tell the yard guys to do this and that, that sort of thing. Water, sometimes the tenants are trying to save money, so they don't water anything, or they turn the automatic sprinkler off. So in your quarterly inspections, you might want to check that is at an appropriate setting and it is turned on and it is being watered. Or you might consider paying for the water bill or paying for half of the water bill to ensure that the tenants don't do that sort of thing to save money. You might also schedule things like tree trimming, coconut tree trimming twice a year. The other larger things the yard guys won't do, so you want to make sure that the trees are trimmed and the big things are done with a different service. So anyway, those are some ideas on what could be done to maintain your property and keep it in good condition while you are doing the rental process. Okay, hope that helps. And if you have any questions, send them my way. And if you have any real estate needs, buying, selling, or property management, love to hear from you. Okay, until next week, talk to you soon.